Hi friends, this is Julie Tillman. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm super excited to be sharing a printable card making kit from LV Handcrafted. And this is the Easy Card Making Kit Holiday, no, not holiday, Hedgehog Hugs. I'm just thinking holidays because I made holiday cards. But she designed it to work with her Easy Wonder die number 1 from Not Too Shabby, and it prints. There's several 8.5 by 11 printable PDFs in it. It includes some full size 8.5 by 11 papers in 2 solids and 2 patterns, and then you get a sheet that has the Easy Guide where you can print, you can cut the Easy die number 1 in one pass, and then it has some extra elements, and then you get a couple other pages that have some patterns and a mix of patterns and elements. And then you also get a sentiment sheet that has some sentiments that can be cut with the Easy, the Ultimate Sentiments die, as well as some that can be cut with the Easy Wonder die number 1 add-on. So first off, I wanted to share this sweet little ornament I made. I just love giving handmade ornaments at Christmas time. And so I just cut one of the prints with a circle die, and then I made a little frame using the 2 largest dies in that shaker, the snow globe shaker die, and just layered that up, added some rock candy glitter for a snowy look, and then I just added a bunch of die cuts and just jazzed it up a little bit and put one of the patterns on the back. So that was really fun. Now I'm going to just move on to the cards, and I pulled in a little 3D embossing folder from Spellbinders. It is, it looks like a sweater too, so I thought this pattern from the Easy Guide made me really think of that, and so I just loved it. So I embossed one of the solid prints, the Cocoa solid print, with that folder, and now I am just going to add some little strips to level out that square with the circle cut and add it to the card. And then I pulled in a scallop circle from my stash that worked with the circle cutout and just added that up on some foam tape. And I'm adding some little accents. That my sentiment is the hugs from the Easy Wonder die number 1, and those hearts are from that same set too, the add-on from the add-on, and I just cut those from the same papers, and I just love this beautiful frosty pink and cocoa. It's so like unexpected for Christmas, so I wanted to make some holiday cards with it. And this little hedgehog is just so cute. He's just like with this little Santa hat and stuff. So I pulled out a sentiment. I believe this is from the Easy Holiday Sentiments, which is a printable that's available if you're a member of the LV Handcrafted YouTube channel or the Not Too Shabby YouTube channel. You can get that. And it was a little longer. It was Cozy Holiday Cheer with Love, and I cut part of that off so it would fit, and then I just partially die cut the frame for that just so it would be the same size as the sentiment. And I added a little double banner there, and I'm just gluing that down with a mat from the Easy Wonder die number 1 add-on. And that will finish off that cute little card. Oh, not quite yet. You have to finish those little accents. So I added a couple more of those little hearts from the Easy Wonder die number 1 add-on, and that's a mouthful of things. Anyways, I picked one pink heart and one brown heart, and I'm finishing up that. And then we're going to move on to our third card. And for this one, I wanted a long rectangle, but I wanted the stitching on it, so I decided to use 2 of the squares that were cut out from the Easy Wonder add-on. And I'm just going to line those up with my T-square to make a longer looking panel. And we're going to have that circle in the middle, so it's going to cover that. And I'm going to do the same thing with these two the two banners that are left. I did somehow lose that little rectangle that cuts on the side of the Easy Wonder die #1. But other than that, I used everything that was cut, and I think that might be the first time I've done that with one of the Easy Wonder dies. I usually take something off or don't use all the banners or something. So it was fun to like actually get everything used up in one crafty session. And so I added those, the hedgehog on foam tape, and then I added some paper circles behind it just to give it some lift so that I can tuck that sentiment behind and everything will fit on the card as I wanted it, with that square more in a diamond shape. And then I am going to add a snowflake that is cut with the Ultimate Snow Globe Shaker. And I just love this snowflake. It's so pretty. I added a little chocolate heart there, kind of to match the cookie that's on the hedgehog. And then I decided I wanted a little more sparkle. So I went with a rhinestone heart from my stash. And we're just going to add that to our card base. And then I am so excited to have made 3 cards in a pretty quick amount of time. Quick for me, at least. And so there's the 3. Thank you so much for stopping by. You can find these products in LV Handcrafted's shop. I'll put the link below, and I will catch you on the next one. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.